Hello my dear students, I hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we will learn chapter number 5, Birds, Beaks and Feet. So let's begin. Birds use a lot of energy while flying. Thus, they need to eat a lot of food. They use their keen eyesight, beaks and claws to get bugs, worms, fish, fruits, grains or nectar. We can know the type of food the bird eats by observing its beak. The shape of the beak depends on the kind of food it eats. Birds are animals whose bodies are covered with feathers. Most birds can fly. Birds such as penguin, ostrich and kiwis do not fly. They are called flightless birds. Different birds have different eating habits. Some eat insects, some eat fish, and some eat seeds. So each bird's beak suits its eating habit. Let us learn about the various types of beaks of birds. Birds such as eagles, hawks, owls, and vultures are carnivores. They eat the flesh of other animals. Their beaks are shaped like a hook. The upper portion of the beak curves down over the lower portion and comes to a sharp point. This helps them to bite and tear flesh. Parrots eat nuts and seeds. They need to crack open the nuts to eat the seeds inside. So they have cracker beaks. These beaks are wide at the base and narrow at the top. Some birds such as warblers eat insects, so their beaks are styled like that of a pair of tweezers to pick up and hold on to the insects. Strainer's beak. You have seen your mother strain tea with the help of a strainer. Some water birds such as ducks have to find food from water. Their beaks act like strainers. When a duck takes a mouthful of water, the water and sand flow out through the holes, leaving behind its food of insects and small fish. Probing beaks. Probing means to go deep inside. Sunbirds and hummingbirds feed on nectar that is found inside flowers. These birds have beaks in the shape of a straw, which help them to suck nectar. Spear beaks. A spear is a sharp and pointed object. Birds such as storks and kingfishers have spear-shaped beaks. This type of beaks help them in killing fish. Pelicans mostly eat fish. Their pouched beaks can hold lots of water along with the fish. A chisel is an object with a very sharp blade. Woodpeckers have chisel-shaped beak with which they pick holes on trees in search of insects. Hoopoes have long and slender beak for pulling out insects from the ground. Swallows have short beaks and sticky mouth. They fly with their mouth open and catch insects flying in mid-air. We have learned that the kind of beak a bird has depends on what it eats. Similarly, the feet of birds also tell us about their eating habits and about the place where they are found. Hawks, eagles and owls use large, curved claws to catch, kill and carry food, mostly small animals, with their feet. Scratching birds. Pheasants, hens, and other birds have strong feet with nail-like toes. They use their feet to scratch the soil for food. Swimming birds. Duck have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. The 3 toes in the front are joined by skin and are called webbed feet. The ducks use these webbed toes like paddles to swim. Perching birds. Robins, crows, sparrows, warblers and thrushes have 4 independent flexible toes with 3 pointed forward and 1 pointed backwards. This helps them to grasp or perch on branches of trees firmly. Children, do you know ostrich is the largest bird in the world? Ostriches are fast-running birds. They have two toes instead of four. They have powerful feet and sharp claws. These feet help them in running. Climbing birds. Woodpeckers and parrots have two toes pointing forwards and two backwards. These help them in climbing up, down, and sideways on trees. Wading birds. Wading means to walk through water. The long toes of birds such as kingfishers and herons are spread out. These help the birds to walk near water bodies such as ponds, lakes, and rivers without sinking into the soft, moist soil. So, students, I hope you understood this video. Keep reading and learning this chapter. Bye. Have a good day.